In this series, we're going to discuss about cellular adaptation, a crucial aspect of cell biology. Cellular adaptation refers to how cells adjust to changes in their environment, ensuring survival and maintaining function. Today, we'll explore different forms of cellular adaptation, including atrophy, hypertrophy, hyperplasia, dysplasia, and metaplasia. First, let's talk about atrophy. Atrophy occurs when cells decrease in size due to reduced use or stimulation. This process is often seen in muscles during periods of inactivity or in organs when deprived of essential nutrients or nerve supply. Next is hypertrophy. This is the enlargement of cells in response to greater demand or stimulation. A common example of hypertrophy is the increase in muscle cell size as a result of rigorous exercise or weightlifting. Following hypertrophy, we have hyperplasia. Hyperplasia involves an increase in the number of cells in an organ or tissue. This can be a normal response to a stimulus, like hormonal changes, or can occur in response to chronic irritation. Dysplasia is a slightly more complex form of cellular adaptation. It involves the abnormal growth or development of cells, often in terms of size, shape, or organization. Dysplasia can be a precursor to cancer, but it's not always malignant. Finally, we discuss metaplasia. Metaplasia is a process where one type of cell changes into another type, usually as an adaptation to a chronic irritant. A classic example is the change of normal bronchial cells into squamous cells in response to chronic smoking. In conclusion, cellular adaptation is a remarkable process demonstrating the resilience and flexibility of cells in response to various stimuli and environmental changes. Understanding these adaptations helps us comprehend not just normal cellular function, but also the pathogenesis of diseases. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.